Okay, so 10 minutes. We're going to make this chicken potato curry with coconut milk. It really is delicious and of course very, very fast. Now what you got to do is make sure you cut your potatoes small. Big potatoes, not 10 minutes. Small potatoes, 10 minutes. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get moving on this then, shall we? So I've got 2 potatoes there. Peeled it, washed it, cut it fairly small. I've got 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 small onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some fresh chili. You can put as many or as little in as you like. Here I've got some fresh curry leaves. Now, if you can't find these, don't worry. You might be able to find them dry. Try that. But yeah, they really are wonderful, but they can be a little bit hard to get depending on where you live. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And then here, what I always call the big 4. We've got a teaspoon of coriander, cumin, chili powder, and turmeric. Now, again, if you don't have the mixed ones, use a curry powder that you have. 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Again, cut roughly the same size as the potatoes. Okay, so you're going to need a pan or something like this. I've got a little kind of wok thing here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using coconut oil, but you can use something different if you want. We're going to start off by dropping in the 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And we're on an above medium heat, by the way. We're now going to drop in the curry leaves, which can be noisy sometimes. Okay, they're not too bad. And then the onion. To that I'm going to add some salt. We're going to drop in our potatoes. And we're going to cook this for 2 minutes. Okay, that's just 2 minutes. We're now going to put in 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of pureed garlic and ginger. If you can't get that, and you can get it in a lot of stores these days, just chop up some garlic and ginger as small as you can. We're now going to go in with our 1 breast of chicken, no skin, no bone, cut fairly small. I'm going to add my fresh chili. Then we're going to add our powders. Let's just take one more look at them. So that's a teaspoon each of chili powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. And like I say, if you don't have the separate powders, you could use a curry powder that you've got. I think the separate powders are better. Okay, so we're still staying on this above medium heat. It's fairly vibrant. Another 3 minutes now. Lovely. Let's get our coconut milk and let's pour that in. 400 ml. And that's the same size as a can. I mean, that's not from a can, my one, but a can is 400 ml generally. So how are we doing? We've done 2 minutes with the potatoes, 3 minutes. So that's 5 minutes, maybe a minute or so of me chatting, 6 minutes. Okay, stay on this heat, let it go for 4 minutes, that'll make 10. Okay, off goes the heat. You can see that that's reduced down really nicely, and as it was doing that, it was cooking those potatoes. Now, those potatoes are cooked nicely, I just checked them. What you want to do is cook those cut the potatoes really small. If you've got big potatoes in there, we're not going to do this in 10 minutes, but we've done it in 10 minutes. Check it for salt. I'm just going to finish it off now with a nice little pinch of this, which is garam masala powder. When I say a pinch, I mean a pinch or 2. A garam masala powder is a really beautiful blend of many spices, which is a lovely little finishing spice. If you wanted, you could add some fresh cilantro or coriander into that. But look at that, eh? 10 minutes. Okay, and there you go. That really is beautiful. Nice and quick. It's going to take you longer to cook rice, I think. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really appreciate all of you send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.